And here we are at One Bloor. So we're gonna head out and take a walk. Let's go. Just taking a look at the architecture down here on Yonge Street. And here's the fabulous Toronto Police. And there's a look at One Bloor West. And One Bloor East. It is 4:17 p.m. here in Toronto, Canada. And it's about 52 degrees. There's a look up St. Mary Street. Manga fried chicken. LLBO. I guess that's where it says LCBO. Miss Fu and Chengdu. I guess that's supposed to rhyme. Look up at some of the architecture here. I'm guessing at some point we'll run into another subway station. And this is Church Wellesley Village. Fat Bastard Burrito Company. Super Chicken. Your favorite fried chicken. Is it really? They want you to think so at least, right? Go Hair Salon. Soulicious Korean Bistro Plus Bar. We've got honking for no reason here. Unless it was the guy on the bike, the e-bike over here. in his way. Galleria, the Kitchen Express. But in Houston, the Galleria is a huge, humongous mall. Fourth largest in North America. But here, there's a mall coming up. Not sure we'll make it there or not. And it's the busiest mall in North America. Banana Games. That's a really strange name for a store that is into trading cards and collectibles. Effie bike. I'm guessing they have bike rentals from the looks of it. Thai Mart. They must sell Thai food. And we got Japanese style hot dogs, Japa Dog. That's a new one to me. I'd never heard of that before. One Grosvenor. We'll look up at that building. And down the street a bit. And I'll look up this part of Yonge. Back to reality. There's the McDonald's, another super hot pot and tea. We saw one of those in the last video I made, which was quite a bit north of here. It was north of Midtown in North York. Here's a look up College Street before we cross. So I guess it's Carlton on this side and College on the other. And Yonge Street is the divider. my goodness, look at this. Very festive.
I think that's why she reached out.
Lots of e-bikers in action today. So downtown Yonge. So we're at Gerrard and Yonge. Gonna see this building right here. I'm not sure what it is, but if anybody happens to know, please let me know down in the comments below. And we're probably going to head east on Gerrard, mainly because we're getting into construction. We're going now. Grit. Let's just go through the TMU campus. This is Toronto Metropolitan University. I want to say it was Ryerson University, and I'm not really 100% on why they changed the name. Here's the library on the right. Looks like we're going to make it to Dundas Square. Which is about 3 subway stops. Timmy's. See, there's a Timmy's right here. Not surprising. And here's Dundas Street. Looks like we've made it. Arrival at Yonge-Dundas, or AKA Sankofa Square now. Here in beautiful central Toronto, Canada. And there it is. The CF or Cadillac Fairview Toronto Eaton Centre. I will most likely be going through there because that is the TMU or Toronto Metropolitan University station. I guess we'll go ahead and end this one here for now. And the end of Toronto, because I'll be leaving in the morning, heading back to Detroit. And we'll see you in the next one.